Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning, Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 6, Time and Directions, Lesson 14, Directions. To watch my previous lessons, subscribe to Enhance Your Learning. After completion of every lesson, I will be uploading a quiz link in the description box. Make your kids to attend the quiz and assess their knowledge. In this class, we are going to see about directions. What are the simple directions, main directions, subdirections, and which instruments we are using to find out the direction, and some of the supplementary points regards with this lesson. Okay kids, directions help us to know where the place is. Direction is also a way in which a person or things move. For example, we are traveling in a highway in our car. So suddenly we found that there is a less fuel in our car. So immediately what we will do? We will check for the road sign. Is there any petrol bunk nearby? Or while traveling we feel hungry. So immediately what we will be looking? Yes, we will look for any nearby restaurants. Okay, so there will be a road sign showing that within 2 kilometers there is a restaurant on your right side. Like that we will follow some of the directions given time to time. Right, now we'll move on to simple directions. Kids, look at the picture. Yes, there is an image of an elephant, right? So in the first picture, elephant is facing front side, right? Look at the second picture. The elephant is facing the back side. And look at the third picture. The elephant is turning towards the left side. And in the last picture, the elephant is towards right side, right? So the simple directions here are front, back, left and right. Yes, now look at the tree. Yes, you can find the top of the tree as well as bottom of the tree, right? Yeah, leaves are there in the top of the tree and stem of the tree is in the bottom, right? Yes, now look at the other picture. Seesaw. Yes, the girl is sitting upside and the boy is sitting down, right? The girl is sitting up and the boy is sitting down. Next, look at the house where the light is hanging. The light is hanging above us. And where are the birds and sofa and table? Yeah, it is below. Okay, so these are all called simple directions. So what are the simple directions? Front, back, left, right, top, bottom, up, down, yes, above and below. Next we will move on to main directions. In many places people might have used this term like north, west, east, south. What is this north, west, east, south? No? You know? Yes, these are all called main directions. Okay, so how can we identify this main directions? Yeah, there is a simple way. Where does the sun rise? Sun rise in the east, okay, and set in the west. So what you do is you just stand facing towards the sun. Okay, stand facing towards the sun because the sun rises in the east. When you are standing facing towards the sun, in front is east. So what will be behind you is west. Okay, and on your left side is north and on your right side is south. Okay, so when you are facing the rising sun, in front of you is east, behind you is west, on your left side is north, on your right side it is south. Okay, so always east and west are the opposite direction, north and south are the opposite direction. You have to keep this in your mind. Okay kids, so these are all the main directions: north, south, east, west. Okay kids, now look at the India map. Always we use this main directions like north, south, east, west to tell the direction on a map. Okay, now kid, look at the map and tell me which state is situated in the north part of India. Yes, very good, Jammu and Kashmir. And which state is situated in the southern part of India? It is Tamil Nadu and Kerala, right? Yes. Which state is situated in the west part of India? Yes, Gujarat. And on the east part of India? Yes, it is West Bengal, Mizoram. Okay, so kids, you know how to identify the main directions. North and opposite is south, west, the opposite is east. Okay, so always most of the maps top part will be facing the north side. Okay, so north, south, west and east. Understood kids? Next we'll move on to the subdirections. What is this subdirections? Yes, subdirections are easy to find if you know the main directions. Okay, so on the top there is a, yes, north, right? On your right side it is east. Then opposite of north there is south and opposite of east there is west direction, right? The direction halfway between north and east is called northeast. The direction halfway between south and east is called southeast. And the direction halfway between south and west is called southwest. And the direction halfway between north and west is called northwest. So these are all the subdirections. Okay kids, next we are going to see about compass. What do you mean by compass? Yes, compass is an instrument which helps us to identify the directions. Okay, so people who are going for ocean travel or people who are traveling in boat, ship, they carry this compass with them in order to identify the direction. So this compass will have a needle. This needle will show the north direction always. Okay, so you know already the opposite of north will be south, and you can identify easily which is the west and east side, right? So if you know one direction, it is easy for us to find the other three directions. Okay kids, next we are going to see about some of the supplementary points regards with this lesson. Directions facing each other is called opposite directions. So the opposite of north is south and the opposite of west is east. Okay, so directions facing each other is called opposite directions. Okay, always In the opposite of north, south will be there, and in the opposite of east, west will be there. Okay kids, we use our hands to show the directions. If someone asks you regarding where is your aunt's house, immediately you will tell it is on the right side or it is on the left side, right? So we will use our hands to show directions. We can also find our way with the help of maps. What do you mean by maps? Maps is the drawing of a place or a neighborhood or a city or a country. Understood kids? In this class we have seen regarding simple directions, main directions, subdirections, and the instrument used to identify the direction and some of the supplementary points. By this I am completing lesson 14 directions. Find the attached quiz link available in the description box and make your kids attend the quiz and assess their knowledge. Thank you.